Next video. Good morning students. So in this video we are learning CBSE class 9 factorization process, and we have learned about factorization by grouping and factorization by taking common factors. Exercise 3a, EX3a we have learned. EX3a of R.S. Agarwal. We are following R.S. Agarwal book. EX3a is all about factorization by grouping and factorization by taking common factor. So you just go through my first video of factorization. Next, come to the factorization by difference of square. Factorization by difference of square. Factorization by difference of square. Now, before starting that, we have to remind one formula. That is, the formula is a square minus b square, that's equals to a plus b into a minus b. Hope all of you know about that. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now, using this, we will factorize a polynomial. Suppose we have given one polynomial, that is 49x square minus 1 by 4. This is a polynomial that is given. We have to factorize it. How can we factorize it? So that's equals to 49x square means 7x whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. So 7x is my a and 1 by 2 is my b. So that's implying 7x plus 1 by 2, 7x minus 1 by 2. So this is my required answer. Hope you are able to see the board and you are understanding. So next, move to another question. That is, next I am taking another question. This is all from the book. I am taking another question, that is 2a to the power 5 to 8 power 5 minus 32a. Okay. So how can we factorize that? For that we are taking here, we are taking common, 2a taking common. So this is a power 4 minus 8. Minus 16. A power 4 minus 16. So that's equals to 2a. This can be written as a square square, or it can be written as a square whole square. Minus this can be written as 2 square whole square. Hope you are able to understand it. Next line I am just doing from here, that is 2a square minus b square, that means a square minus 2 square and a square plus 2 square. So that can be written as 2a into a square plus 4. This is a plus 2, a square minus 2 square, a plus 2 into a minus 2. So this is my required answer, or this is my required factorization of twice a to the power 5 minus 32a. Means first we are taking common, then in this algebraic expression we are using this formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. We are getting this result. Next, I will take another question, that is I am taking another question. The question is x power 4. This question is given in the book. So here various types of examples are given in R.S. Agarwal book. So you should go through this book, this R.S. Agarwal book, and if you have any problem, then comment me in my comment box so that I will help you in the rest of the time. Now Let us come to the exercise. Without delaying the time, here various types of examples are given. Let's come to the exercise. Exercise 3b, EX3b. EX3b, 3b is given. Exercise 3b, I'm starting from question number 5. Question number 5, EX3b, question number 5, obviously RS Agarwal. Now question number 5, it is given that 2x to the power 4 minus 32. We have to factorize it. We are taking common, that's equals to x to the power 4 minus 16. 2 into, this can be written as x square this can be written as x square whole square minus 2 square whole square. Now this is equal to 2, this is equal to x square plus 2 square, next a square minus 2 square. This is 2 x square plus 4 x plus 2 x minus 2. So this is the solution of 2x to the power 4 minus 32. Next, come to another question. I am taking question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8. In question number 8, it is given that 27 a square minus 48 b square. So from here we are taking common. Taking common. So if we take 3 common, we will get 9a square minus 16b square. 3 into 3a whole square minus 4b whole square. 3 into 3a plus 4b, 3a minus 4b. So this will be my answer. Next, come to another question. That is question number 5. Question number 15. I am taking question number 15. Question number 15. It is given that a square minus b square, a square minus b square minus a minus b. Okay, a square minus b square minus a minus b. We have to factorize it. So that equal to a plus b into a minus b minus 1 taking common a plus b. Now taking a plus b common over here, if we take a plus b common over here, means first I am just factorizing by first we are using the formula of a square minus b square, that is factorizing by difference of 2 square. So two process can be used here. First is difference of square, after making difference of square, we are getting a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b. This is the difference of square. Next, factorization by taking common. Taking common. So taking a plus b common, we are getting a minus b minus 1. So that's equals to a plus b into a minus b minus 1. So this is my required answer. Next, move to another question. We are doing exercise 3b. Now the question that hints is not given. I will try to solve here. Next, move to question number 23 of this. Question number 23. Now question number 23. Question number 23. Question number 23, it is given that x square plus 2xy plus y square minus a square plus 2ab minus b square. So we have to factorize it. So first, let us have a clear look that if I take x square plus twice x square plus y square, this can be in the form of, we know the formula, a plus b whole square, that is a square plus twice a plus b square. So that means this can be written as x plus y whole square minus, this can be written as, if I take minus common over here, one step I am writing, minus common over here, that can be written as a square plus minus twice ab plus b square. Hope you are able to understood it. So now this can be written as x plus y whole square minus a minus b whole square. A square, next taking x plus y as m, I am taking this as m and a minus b as n. So this can be written as m square minus n square, that is m plus n into m minus n. Now putting the value of m and n, x plus y plus a minus b, x plus y minus a plus b. This is the answer. This will be my required answer. Next, move to another question. Question number 23 is done. Next, move to question number 24. Question number 24. Question number 24. It is given in question number 24 that 25x square minus 10x plus 1 minus 36y square. This can be written as 5x whole square minus 2 into 5x into 1 plus 1 square minus 36, that can be written as 6y whole square. This is 5x minus 1 whole square. 5x minus 1 whole square, a square minus twice ab plus b square. Here my a is equal to 5x, b is equal to 1, and this equals to 6y whole square. So that means again 5x minus 1, this whole portion I am taking, if I take one number, that is m, so we will getting m square minus 6y whole square, that is m plus 6y, m minus 6y. So that means 5x minus 1 plus 6y, 5x minus 1 minus 6y. So this is my answer. Okay, hope it is visible to you. Next, move to another question. Next, move to another question. Next, I am moving another question. Question number 25. This question hint was also not given. Question number 25. Now in question number 25. Question number 25. Question number 25, it is also given a minus b into minus a square plus b square. This question is given here. So this is a minus b, taking minus common, a square minus b square. A minus b minus a minus b into a plus b. Taking a minus b common, here also we applying two methods, that is factorizing by difference of square, difference of two square. First using here difference of square Next, taking common. Next, we are using taking common. So if I take common a minus b over here, a minus b, we get 1 minus a minus b. That means a minus b, 1 minus a minus b. So this is my answer. Actually, this line is not need to write since I am given one third bracket over here. So this will be the answer. Next, move to another question. We are following exercise 3b. EX 3b. Next, move to question number 25. We've done. Question number 27. I am doing. Question number 27. Question number 27. Now in question number 27, it is given the question is given here. 9 minus a square. 9 minus a square plus twice ab minus b square. This is also an easy question. 9 can be written as in the form of 3t square minus taking common. This will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. 3 square minus a minus b whole square. 3 plus a minus b. 3 minus a. 3 minus a plus b. This will be the answer. Next, come to question number 27 is done. Question number 30. Question number 30. Now in question number 30, it is given that 9a square plus 6a plus 1 minus 36b square. This can be written as 3a whole square 2 into 3a into 1 plus 1 minus this can be written as 6b whole square. So this equals to 3a plus 1 whole square minus 6b whole square. A square minus b square. So 3a plus 1 is my a and 6b is my b. So 3a plus 1 minus 6b or plus 6b first, then 3a plus 1 minus 6b. This is the another answer. Next, on to another question. Question number next question hints are given. So from question number 32 hints, all the maximum hints is given here in RS Agarwal math book. So exercise 3b, in exercise 3b, that is factorizing by difference of square, we have completed. Here various types of maths are also given in book. So I suggest you that go through the solved example. Definitely you will have understood. If you have any problem, then again I am telling you, comment on my comment box that this math exercise 3b RS Agarwal mathematics book, this is the CBSE maths that we are don't able to do it. See, you can send me in, you can comment me in my comment box, or you can send me in my personal WhatsApp number also. My personal WhatsApp number is 8918723721. This is my personal WhatsApp number. So you can send me any maths over here. So that's it for this video. Hope you will understood the video. So please support me. Please subscribe my channel for getting maths related video. Okay, and definitely from my side I will provide you some various types of solution regarding mathematics, so that students can be benefited by me. Okay, so please support me. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.